Hello, students. Do you hear me? Am
Yes,
I
ma'am.
audible, buddy?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Is my screen visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Just give me 1 second. Okay, by the time, just tell me that what all were we doing in the previous class. We just have a quick revision.
Now we were learning the rules of laws and we were learning the laws of exponents.
Yeah, the laws of exponents. I also posted like an assignment for you guys. Did you do that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Any doubts in that assignment? Please put on
No,
your camera. Others? Okay, so we were doing laws of exponents. Does anybody have any doubts in the assignment?
no, ma'am.
Ramesh, you? Did you do the assignment?
Ma'am, I didn't have time as I was preparing for my other exams.
Yeah, the exams. Okay. We'll move ahead. We'll do some questions based on the laws of exponents. Okay. I practiced with you like some questions where we had to express and simplify, right? Okay. So you now have another question. You have to find the value of 2 by 3 to the power minus 2. Okay, this is first question. Second question is simplify 1 by 3 whole power minus 2 minus 1 by 2 whole power minus 3 divided with 1 by 4 whole power minus 2. Fine. This is the question. Please do these two questions and just quickly tell me, and then we'll discuss the answers.
I am also done. Ma'am, I'm done.
Have you guys done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let's discuss the answers. We have for the first one, find the value of 2 by 3 to whole power minus 2. So for minus 2, what you'll do, you'll reciprocal, you'll have 3 by to the power 2, right? Then you will have 3 into 3 upon 2 into 2. This gives you 9 upon 4,
Ma'am, I got
right?
my.
Yes,
Did
ma'am.
everybody got this answer only?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next we have is simplify. So first you have 1 by 3 to the power minus 2. So you'll write 3 to the power minus 2. I'm sorry, plus 2. Then you have minus 2 to the power 3 bracket divided with 4 to the power 2. Okay. So you have 3 to the power 2 to the, everything is different. So just solve it. 3 into 3 is 9 minus 2 into 2 into 2 is 8 divided by 4 into 4 is 16. So you have 1 divided with 16. So equates to 1 by 16.
Ma'am, correct answer.
Ma'am, I
Got the
also got
answer?
that answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we have the next question. It is 5 by 8 to the power minus 7 into 8 by 5 to the power minus 5. Okay. Next you have 3 to the power minus 2, minus 4 to the power minus 2, and 1 by 2 to the power minus 5. Please do these.
Ma'am, I'm done.
Okay. What about us one?
Yes, ma'am.
So we have the first one will be like the second one. To do 8 by 5 to the power 7 multiplied by 5 by 8 to the power 5. Okay. Now see, you have 8 to the power 7 upon 5 to the power 7 multiplied with 5 to the power 5 and 8 to the power 5. Okay. Now you can clearly see that 8 to the power 7 and 8 to the power 5 are being divided. So what you can do in numerate, here you can write 7 minus 5 and here you can write 7 minus 5. Right. So you will have 8 to the power 2 upon 5 to the power 2. You will have 64 by 25. Right. Do you understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Simple?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now you have the third one which says 3 to the power minus 2, which means 1 by 3 to the power 2, 1 by 9. Fourth one is minus 4 to the power minus 2. You can write it as 1 by minus 4 to the power 2. Okay. It equates as 1 by 16. Positive 16 or negative 16?
Ma'am, it's
Negative 16.
Minus 4 into minus 4.
Ma'am, minus 2 into positive 2.
Whenever
Ma'am, minus 4 into positive 2.
say, what is minus 4 into minus 4? Is it minus 16 or plus 16?
Ma'am, minus 4 into minus 4 plus 16.
15.
Plus 16.
I could not hear you.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, it's
positive 16.
16.
Plus 16. See, minus into minus is plus.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So it's 1 by 16. Okay. Now I'll give you next set of questions. Or I give you, okay, there was one more. Fifth one. Which is 1 by 2 to the power minus 5. Okay. So it is 2 to the power 5. So you have 2 to, what is 2 to the power 5?
Ma'am, 32.
32. Yeah. Fine. Now you have the next question. Simplify and express the results. Okay. Again, the first one is minus 4 to the power 5 divided with minus 4 to the power 8. Then it is 1 by 2, 1 by 2 to the power 3, 2. Third is minus 3 to the power 4 into 5 by 3 to the power 4. Okay, these are the three questions.
Ma'am, table. Can I go little?
Say,
Can I go little?
please speak loudly, Aswan. I can't hear you.
Can you show the third question? I can't see now.
Yeah, now are you able to see?
Yes.
I'm also done.
Yeah, what are you saying?
Done, ma'am.
Ma'am, we are done.
Okay. So we have the first one is 1 by 4. No, I'm sorry. The power is not 9.
We have to subtract the powers.
Yeah. I'm sorry. I just got confused. I thought that the power is in minus. So we have minus 4 to the power 5 minus 8. Right? So we have minus 4 to the power minus 3. We have 1 by minus 4 to the power 3. So you can write it as 1. What is 4 to the power 3?
64.
64. Now can we end the step in minus 4 to the power minus 3?
What are you saying?
Now can we end the step in minus 4 to the power minus 3, or we have to do this also?
No, you cannot end here. What is the answer?
1 by 64.
Ma'am, 1 by 64. Ma'am, 1 by negative 64.
Yeah, very good. 1 by negative 60.
By negative.
Yeah. What's the second one? Who will tell me the second one?
I cannot.
Yeah, sure.
1 by 2 to the power 3 into 2, right?
No, it's 2 to the power 3.
Ma'am,
That's not so.
1 raised to 2 by 2 raised to 3 into 2. Ma'am, is it 1 by 2 raised to 6?
What are you saying?
1 by 2 raised to 6.
Yeah, 1 by 2 raised to 6. Very good. Then the final answer.
1 by
1
64.
by 12. 1 by 64.
Was 1 by 64.
By 64.
1 by,
64.
yeah, 64. Okay, good. Then the third one will tell.
Minus 3 to the power 4 equals to 71.
Okay.
And 5 by 3 to the power 4 equals
See, you can
624.
do. You have minus 3 to the power 4. It's minus 3. See, when you have like a negative power and a negative number where the power is like positive. See, here you have a negative. Just give me 1 minute. There's a phone call. Okay, do you hear me? See, like for example, you have negative 2 into negative 2, right? When you multiply a negative number, even number of times, okay, so you get a positive number only. Okay, it will be positive 2. Now, if you multiply an even number, like uh, odd number of times, you do minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2, what will you get? You will get
Negative.
but it will be like negative. So whenever we have the power is even, you will have a positive answer. Whenever the power is odd, you will have a negative answer. Okay. So here the power, here this negative value does not have any Negative sign does not have any value. Why? Because the power is 4, right? Which is like even power. So you can even remove this sign. It will be of no use. So you can write like 3 to the power 4 upon 3 to the power 4. See, this will be cancelled and you will have 5 to the power 4. So your answer will be just 5 to the power 4. You understand this thing?
Okay, ma'am.
Do you guys understand? Please respond.
Ma'am, we
Yes, ma'am.
understand. Ma'am, we understand.
Okay,
Yeah,
very
question.
good. So we have the next question. You have to evaluate the questions. Okay. Do you see the questions on the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please start doing them.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, I don't understand the first one, but I did the second one.
Please say again.
Ma'am, I don't know how to do the first one, but I did the second one.
If you are unable to do this first one.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Ramesh, what about you?
Ma'am, I also don't get the first one.
Look here. So what we have is, first of all, we have 8 to the power minus 1. See, sometimes we may have like bigger numbers, which we will have to like break down into exponents. Like 8 is 2 to the power 3. So you can write 2 to the power 3 to the power minus 1 multiplied with 5 to the power 3 upon 2 to the power minus 2. Right? Then you have 2 to the power minus 3 into 5 to the power 3 upon 2 to the power minus 2. Okay, now can you solve it? We'll have 2 to the power minus 3 minus 4 multiplied with 5 to the power 3. Right? So you have 2 to the power minus 3 plus 4 multiplied with 5 to the power 3. So you have 2 to the power, what is minus 3 plus 4? You have plus 1 into 5 to the power 3. Just solve it. You'll have 2 into what is 5 to the power 3? It's 125. So 2 into 125 is 250. Fine?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
The second one.
Second one I'll tell you. Second one is 5 to the power minus 1 into 2 to the power. Let's solve it here. You can evaluate 1 by 5 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 6 and then just solve it.
Equals 1 by 60.
You have 60. 1 by 60. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm
Clear?
also got that answer.
I also got the,
What are you saying?
I
I
also
got
got
the
the
same.
same answer.
Okay, good. Next questions I'll give. See, whenever you find like any difficulty, like in this one, you're not able to solve, just look for the bigger numbers and try to break them in like exponents.
Okay.
Now you have 10 to the power minus 5 unit into 125 upon 5 to the power minus 7 into 6 to the power minus 4. Okay, we solve this.
I mean, the first question, t raised to minus 4. Ma'am, the first question, t is raised to minus 4.
Please speak a little loudly, Ramesh.
Ma'am, in the first question is t raised to minus 4.
Yeah,
Okay.
t raised to the power. It's C. I'll read the question. 25 into t raised to the power minus 4 upon 5 to raised to the power minus 3 into 10 into t raised to the power minus 3.
Can you show the second one? I can't see the denominator.
Are you saying?
Can you scroll it down a little bit? I want to see the second one.
Aswan, your voice is too low. Please speak a little loudly.
Can you scroll a little down because I can't see the second question.
Yeah, please see. Now are you able to see it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what's the answers?
First one, we can split, break down 25,
Yeah.
which will become 5 square into t to the power negative 4 by 5 to the power negative 3 into 10 into t to the power negative 8. So now is the final answer 5 to the
Here
power
you have
negative
5 square. When you have
Yes,
t to the power negative 4, you have a negative 8 also. So that will be like subtracted over here. Then you have 5 to the power minus 3 into 2 into 5. Okay. So now you have 5 square into t to the power minus 4 plus 8. So t to the power plus 4 upon 5 to the power minus 3 plus 1. Okay, so it will be like minus 2 into 2. So it will be 5 to the power 2 minus 2, right, into t to the power 4 upon 2. So we have 5 to the power 4 into t to the
5 to
power
the power negative 3, right, ma'am?
by negative 3.
Because denominator 5 is to the
You
power
have
negative
one 5
3.
here also. So that you solve, right? That also you
Okay, ma'am.
रुको say see you have one 5 also, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you see that? So that is why you got 5 to the power minus 2. Then you can solve it. What is 5 to the power 4? 25 into 25. 625 into t to the power 4 upon 2. Okay, this is your answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. For the next one, we have 3 to the power minus 5 into 2 to the power minus 5 into 5 to the power minus 5 into 5 to the power 3 upon 5 to the power minus 7 into 2 to the power minus 5 into 3 to the power minus 5. Okay. So 2 to the power minus 5 and 3 to the power minus 5 is cancelled.
Yes, ma'am. And also 3 to the power negative 5 and 3 to the power
This and
negative 5.
this will also be cancelled. Now you have 5 to the power minus 5 plus 3 plus 7. Why? See, this will be like minus 7 will be plus 7. Okay. So 5 to the power minus 3 minus 5 plus 10. This becomes 5 to the power 5. Fine.
Correct answer, ma'am.
Okay,
Now do
ma'am.
you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Does anybody have any doubts up till here?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Now I'll give you the next question. You have to find the value of m for which 5 to the power m divided with 5 to the power minus 3 gives you 5 to the power 5. Okay. Please do this.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. So the answer will be
Now MS equals to 8.
okay. Let's check. Ramesh, have you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you have 5 to the power m minus 5 gives you 5 to the power, sorry, this is 3. Okay, gives you 5 to the power 5, right? So here you have 5 to the power m plus 3 gives you 5 to the power 5. So m plus 3 should be equal to 5. So m is equals to 2. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear?
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Next we have this question. Okay, these two questions.
Done.
I'm done.
Are you guys done?
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. So we have the first one. See, there's no need to solve this question. You
It's
directly can write 1 because the whole power is 0. And whenever we have the power 0, the answer is 1. So don't solve anything, just write 1. Okay? You understand the logic?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now, in the second question, first of all, you have a negative power. So to make it positive, you write minus 3 by 2 to the power 2 and whole power 2. So you can now write minus 3 by 2 whole power 4, right? So now you have minus 3 to the power 4 and 2
81.
to the power 4. So 3 to the power is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So 9 into 9 is 81 and positive 81. And 2 to the power 4 is 16, right?
Yes,
So you have 81 by 16 as your answer.
ma'am. I will correct.
Got the questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Now we have some more questions. These are 3 questions. Please do these.
Ma'am, I'm done.
Okay. So we'll discuss the answers. The first one we will have 3 to the power 0 is 1. Right? So 1 plus 1 by 4 into 2 square. Okay. So 1 plus 1 by 4 is basically 5 by 4 into 2 to the power 4 is 4. 4 and 4 cancelled. You will have the answer 5. Okay.
Sure.
Then you have 2 to the power minus 1. So it will be like 1 by 2 into 1 by 4 divided with 1 by 2 to the power 2. Okay. So you'll have 1 by 8 multiplied with 4. Right? Because like division sign, so we'll change it into multiply sign and reciprocal. So 4 by 1. So you have 2. So your answer is 1 by 2. Got it?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am, I got the answer.
The next one is 1 by 2 to a whole power minus 2 and everything has minus 2 power. So you will just reciprocal 2 to the power 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square. So you have 4 plus 9 plus 16. So your answer is 29. Are you all getting the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So see, we'll just revise all the concepts whatever we studied. One by one, just tell me that what are the rules of exponents?
Ma'am, ma'am, a to the power m plus a to the power n equals to a to the power m plus, sorry, a to the power m into a to the power n equals to a to the power m plus n.
Yeah, okay. The second one, Rami.
A to the power n divided by a to the power m equals a minus a raised to n minus m.
Okay, next, Aswan.
Ma'am, a to the power 0 equals to,
What are you saying, Aswan? I couldn't hear.
ma'am, a to the power 0 equals to 1.
Okay, next, Ramesh.
Bracket a to the power n bracket close whole raised to m equals a raised to the power n into m.
Okay, is there any other left?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, a to the power m plus b to the, sorry, a to the power m into b to the power m equals to ab to the whole to the power m.
Okay, good. So these are all the rules of
Ma'am, we have more.
experiments. So, do you all have any doubts in today's class?
No, ma'am.
Now, in the next class,